Hi love! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video love, ang gagawin ko today is magwa one shot, one makeup. So I have here the most famous drinks in Philippines. It's Colafo. Most requested brand. So I have here also for the mix. So one shot, one makeup. So first shot, I have here the one shot. Oh, di ko kaya one shot, so ito muna. Oh, di ko kaya. This one na lang. Hanggang dito. At saka, mix natin ng soft drinks ng Royal. So, first shot, let's drink. Yung first na lalagay natin is yung primer. Okay, I have here a primer. So, love, skip yung contact lens. Parang di ko kayang maglagay. So, this one, maglagay. So, next is the concealer. Okay, mag one shot na naman tayo ulit. So, hindi ko kaya one shot lang. So, ito na lang. Dito na lang. So, mix natin ng orange. So, second shot for the concealer. Cheers! Oh my god. Hoy! Stay! Okay. Concealer na ta. Ano? Ako. Dito lang. Sorry. Okay. May nabuang dito ani. Unsa na ako no. So cheers. Oh my god. So this is the third shot for the eyebrow. My god. Whew. Shot. Hoy! Makong na inog tambal. So, here. Okay, mag-eyebrow na siya ta. Hala! Saan naman eh? Naman na akong kilay. Patay. Wala na for mga. May tabang. Lagi atay na ni. Sorry. Bad words. Oh my god. Hoy! Gracias. Meron akong kilay? I think di siya okay. Baga akong kilay diri. So love, I'm done with my eyebrow. So next is yung eyeshadow. So love, hindi ako marunong mag-makeup. So kahit ano na lang yung ginagawa ko. Hindi ko alam yung paano mag step by step. So next shot is for my here. This one. Shots. Oh my god. Hoy. Mabuang na ko ani. Mabuang na jud ko. So I have here the 4 palette love, and it's from I think it's from Squadlet from Watson. So first natin nilagay is this one. The first simple lang, ganito ganun lang. Okay. Here, nagalagay. And this dito. Then this one is this one dito, yung pink. Ganito lang siya sa center. Here, and this one is the next, yung mga glitter. Dito natin lalagay. So I'm done of my eyeshadow. Next, dito, blush on. Shot na naman ulit. Wait lang. Ooh. From my blush on. Cheers! Oh, hindi ko na kaya. Okay, next blush on. Papangit ako nito. Blush on na tayo mga love. Okay, next need natin siya this one, blend. Blend. Whew. Kaya ko pa ba? Blend na tayo, blend. Okay, then highlighter. Uy, blush on na siya kay highlighter, same na natin ilalagay ha, kasi pang dito naman sa mukha. Wala siyang shot, okay, kasi same product lang naman. Kaya ba to? Magsashot na naman ako na yung lipstick. Okay, love. Next shot is for my lipstick dito. Okay, just wait for a while. Ay, grabe. Ang labad nung... Focus. Okay, next shot is for my lipstick. Scroll ako. Huy! Laban lang. May nagsugo. Hindi mo rin content. Laban lang. Huy! Tira ko. Okay, I'm okay. Kaya naman ko di. Kukuha na ko. So, I have 2 shades of lipstick. So, this is for 1 shot only, okay? Here. For 2 shades and 1 shot. Kaya ko to. 1, 2. Okay, next one is my lipstick. I'm done and ready to write. Ganda na po ba? So what will I do next is this one, liquid eye. Dito po ba? Dito. Uy, ayaw ko na. Pagod na ako. Natulog ako. Nabad ako. Wala akong kadaw kanin. Kasi kadaw ko kanin. Focus. Love, hindi ko na kaya. Baka ano mangyari sa mata ko pag nilagay ko to. So love, I think this is the end of my vlog. So I hope you like it. This is my 1 shot 1 makeup challenge. Oh my god, nahilo ko. Ito lang na kaya ko. No to alcohol drinks. No to alcohol drinks. Sakit sa ulo. Okay. Kaya ko pa ba? So this is the end of my vlog, love. I hope you like it and enjoy next vlog. Enjoy. Ano ba to? I think this is the end of my vlog and I hope you enjoy and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.